Hi guys, welcome to my channel Hunger Pangs with Simran. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a very easy yet elegant upside down pear cake. This is for those of you who are not fond of cream cakes, and it is extremely easy to make this. So let's get started. So we need to take one medium to large sized pear and then cut slices out of it this way. Next, I have an 8-inch baking pan in which I'll be baking this cake today. So I'm just lining it with some parchment paper and then brushing some butter on it. Place all the pear slices on this very neatly. Once the cake is baked, this is going to be the the top look of the cake. So make sure it looks very neat and good. Next, we need to sift in all the dry ingredients other than the sugar together. Take 200 grams of all-purpose flour, along with half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all of this together in a bowl and leave this bowl aside. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. For that, in a large bowl, take 2 eggs, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to that, and then sift in 180 grams of caster sugar to that. Then we need to beat all of this together. Here I am using a hand mixer, but you could also use a whisk or even a stand mixer to do this. We need to beat this until the eggs foam up and the color changes to a pale light yellow. Beating this up till the correct consistency should take you around 3 to 4 minutes on high speed if you're using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, and it will take you a few more minutes if you're doing this by using a whisk. So you see now, this is done. And the mixture is foamy and fluffy with a lot of airiness in it. Now we need to fold in half of the sifted dry ingredients to this. Fold this gently, don't let the air escape. And now here I have 80 grams of absolutely melted unsalted butter and 75 ml of milk. So I'm going to add in both the butter and milk in 2 parts and fold it gently. Then add in the remaining dry ingredients along with the butter and milk. Fold this well until you have a creamy, fluffy, yellow cake batter. And then pour this or transfer this to your baking dish on top of the pear slices. Spread it well and then bake this for 35 to 40 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius until your cake is golden brown in color. You could also do a toothpick test to check if your cake is baked all the way through, and if the toothpick doesn't come out clean, that means you need to bake your cake just for a few more minutes. So let this cool down and then demold this with the help of a knife. And there you go. Let's remove the parchment paper. So here you go. It looks so yummy. Now in the end, I like to drizzle some honey on this. But this is optional, you could skip this if you're not a big fan of honey. And that's it, it looks delicious. It's so soft and fluffy. You can see just how light and airy this is. Enjoy this with a cup of hot milk or even some coffee. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave a comment. See you next time.